Today I'm packing for our girls for our Alaska cruise on Anthem of the Seas, and I have a feeling I'm either packing perfectly or completely overpacking. But I wanted to show you what we were bringing for our 4 and 6-year-old in case it helps you on your cruise planning. First up is clothing. I try to keep it pretty simple and pack enough outfits plus a little extra because kids. Layers are probably the biggest thing I've learned while researching Alaska. Weather can change very quickly. We are bringing sweatshirts, a warm jacket, and rain jackets for everyone. And we're also packing beanies just in case it's chilly during glacier viewing or in the mornings or if it's super windy on the ship. For shoes, I think having good walking shoes is really important. We're bringing hiking shoes, comfortable walking shoes, as well as some flip-flops. We're packing a few dresses for dinner and some clothes for theme nights too. On our sailing, we have a formal night, and since we'll be on board for the 4th of July, we're also bringing some festive red, white, and blue outfits as well. Of course, we can't forget hats, sunglasses, swimsuits, because even though it's Alaska, I know my girls are going to be spending plenty of time in the pools and the hot tubs. For fun stuff, we're packing lanyards for their sea pass cards, rubber duckies to hide around the ship, magnets for the cabin walls, little light up toys or night lights to help them at night, a few small toys and games, things like that, activities for them to do. And one thing I always pack are Ziploc baggies. They're perfect for either snacks, little treasures collected in the ports, wet swimsuits, or just containing the chaos that seems to follow kids everywhere. One thing I always do is pack a small bag for Seattle and Embarkation Day. I include an outfit for the plane, pajamas, toiletries, 2 outfits for day 1 on the ship. I also pack an extra swimsuit, extra socks, underwear, toothbrushes, because our luggage usually doesn't arrive to the cabin until later that afternoon, and it's so much easier having everything we need without digging through the suitcases right away. So that's everything we're packing for our girls for Alaska. Hopefully this gives you a few ideas if you're cruising with kids. Let me know what your family's must-pack item is, because I'm sure there's something I forgot. And the countdown is definitely getting real around here. We're T-minus 12 days out. All right, guys, bye.